Yeah, what up YouTube, it's Custom Grow Veraxity, and in today's video we're going to be talking a little bit about something you may have seen before. If you've googled the words token and logger before, you've probably seen this word pop up. If you've googled the words Roblox and beaming before, you've probably seen this word pop up. Now what is this word we're going to be talking about today? This word is dual hooking, okay? But before we talk about dual hooking, I do want to say one thing first, and that's a big, huge, disgusting, slimy thank you to every single person that is watching this right now, because I don't know if you've been paying attention at all recently, dude, but we gained like 22,000 subscribers in a week. I mean, those are some serious numbers right there. So if you're new around the parts, hey, what's up? It's Custom Grow Veraxity, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about hacking, as we do mainly on this channel. But yeah, thanks for pressing the subscribe button. I have other social medias. I know a lot of you don't seem to know this, but I actually don't touch grass, and I do live on social media, so yeah, go check them out. But either way, with that out of the way, I do want to say that this video is for educational purposes only. The intent of me recording this and uploading it to youtube.com is just because I want you to learn about how this stuff works, alright? Now don't go around dual hooking anything. Like, once you find out what dual hooking is, please don't go around dual hooking your grandma, alright? That's not what you're supposed to be doing with this. This is just so you can have it up in your head and know what it is. But now that the disclaimer's out of the way, let's get right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, what is dual hooking? That question will be answered in 3, 2, 1. So before we get into dual hooking, we should talk about what a regular Discord webhook does, okay? And now, what is a Discord webhook, you might be asking? You might not be asking that, you might already know what a Discord webhook is, but basically, it's a feature for bot developers, right? It allows you to send messages without the use of an account, basically. So you generate a link inside of Discord, and that's your webhook right there. Basically, all you do is you copy this, and whatever kind of code that you can make it send messages back to the server that the webhook originates from, okay? And now, some places you might have actually seen a webhook are, those Roblox link generator websites. You have to enter your webhook right there. Any sort of token logger for Discord ever, you have to actually enter your webhook. And I know I first saw the Discord webhook feature whenever I was looking up, stuff about token loggers, just researching stuff about token loggers. But basically, I know the majority of you already know what a webhook is, so we're not going to go into too much detail about that. Basically, you've seen a webhook if you use one of these sites. If you ever try to use a token logger, you know what a webhook is. If you ever watched this fucking guy on YouTube, you know what a token logger, you know what a webhook is. But yeah, so if you're not 3 years old, you could probably figure out that dual hooking means putting 2 webhooks in there, right? You got your dual wield from Halo 3 that I wish they'd bring back more often. Actually, Halo 2 was a lot crazier. Remember dual wielding needlers? That was insane. Anyway, yeah, that's basically what dual hooking means. It's whenever you go to fill out your webhook right here for one of these little applications, but actually, the creator of this application has their own webhook inside of it already that you can't see. So anything that you like, any sort of token that you log, it's just going back to the creator. Because like I said, dual hooking, there's 2 webhooks in there. Like I said, if you're not 3 or 4 years old, you could figure this out. I'm just kidding, by the way. I feel like some people will actually be mad. I'm sorry. But yeah, guys, Discord webhooks, they could be used for many things. They could buy you a cheeseburger if you're hungry. They could log tokens and Roblox cookies. They could also be hidden inside a code, so that code that you're using to log that cookie, or that Discord token, or your grandma, yeah, that could actually be getting sent back to the attacker through a dual hook. No, I'm not actually going to show you how to make a dual hook today. I think you can figure out how to make one if you know how to code it, like a little bit, just at least a little bit. But like I said in the beginning of this video, if you are going to make one of these, make sure you only test it out on yourself, dude. Don't go around dual hooking your grandma. That's not fun. But anyways, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, I know I've seen this question go around my Discord server a lot, and I just wanted to make this video real quick to answer any of those questions you might have. But yeah, this is going to be a shorter video today, and I just wanted to say thank you for almost 50,000 subscribers. That's absolutely insane. I know it's cliche. A lot of YouTubers, oh my god, I never thought I would be here. Yeah, I did, dude. I definitely thought I'd be here. I wouldn't be doing it, but like still, it's still insane to see just like on my screen, right? That big old number right there looking at me. But yeah, guys, I just want to give you a big old smelly thank you to every single one of you that has subscribed to this channel. And yeah, I hope you learned something new. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to be making some new shorts, some new long form content. Yeah, it's going to be pretty insane. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smack that like button and hit the subscribe button. My name is Veraxity, and yeah, my name is Custom Grow Veraxity. I'm going to be, going to smoke up some more of that knowledge. Peace out, guys.